So this is my assignment. Doc type is HTML5 telling that, and then English. Then this side is the title of the website and the style. So muna siya sulod sa style. For example, is the body, muning style niya sa body, the background, and the font. So sulod niya score, feedback, option, button, and the paragraph. So here na side is the H1 is this ni siya, the title for me, and then this side the dev ID. So mo call nimo, and this side is the button for the next and restart. So the na side is the JavaScript. So ang sulod niya is the question and option and the answer. So dere na siya option. So here why 2 instead of 3, because 3 man siya. So because the index start to 0 1 2, that's why. And here the tracker, so the question and the score. So that's why nag-start siya 0. So kay wala pa man na. So the question, so dere the current question and the answer dayon. Here the feedback. So if your answer is correct, then correct. If the answer is wrong, is wrong. And here the score and the naka-hide na answer, and then the next button, and then the increment here side, the question increment. Sample next question number 1, next question 2, next 3. So muna siya. And then this the quiz and quiz. Here is instead the question malis din siya into the paragraph, the quiz complete. And then here the ano siya sulod ang question ang option ni siya, and then the feedback, the final message mo ni siyang final message. If imong score is 3, then you will get the great job. If wrong kag isa, you almost perfect. If wrong kag duwa, and then keep practicing. So muna siya. And then the next button and restart button. Then here kay balik na po siya, current question mabalik siya 0 when you click, and then the score, then print dayon, then restart, then dara, and maura na siya. Then mo din yung result niya. For example, ni answer ka dara, then wrong ka, so you will get the almost perfect. Maura to ma'am. Thank you.